The Yajurveda, the sacred book of rituals and sacrifices. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and fellow seekers of knowledge, today I am honored to speak to you about the Yajurveda, one of the four Vedas that form the foundation of Hindu philosophy, spirituality, and culture. The Yajurveda, often referred to as the knowledge of sacrifices, is a sacred text that provides detailed instructions for performing rituals, ceremonies, and sacrifices to honor the divine, maintain cosmic order, and seek blessings for prosperity, health, and spiritual enlightenment. Welcome to the Big Network Spiritual, where you will be introduced to concepts of evolution and different philosophies that will help you become a better person and focus on the self. Like this channel, subscribe and share for us to be able to deliver high-value content on a weekly basis. Composed in Sanskrit over 3000 years ago, the Yajurveda is divided into two main branches, the Shukla Yajurveda, White Yajurveda, and the Krishna Yajurveda, Black Yajurveda. The Shukla Yajurveda consists of hymns and mantras that are recited during rituals, while the Krishna Yajurveda contains prose passages that explain the significance of the rituals and provide instructions for their performance. Together, these two branches of the Yajurveda form a comprehensive guide for conducting Vedic ceremonies and worship. One of the key themes of the Yajurveda is the concept of yajna, or ritual sacrifice, as a means of establishing a connection with the divine and maintaining cosmic order. Yajnas were elaborate ceremonies performed by priests to invoke the gods, offer oblations, and seek blessings for the well-being of society. The Yajurveda contains detailed descriptions of the various types of yajnas, the rituals to be performed, the mantras to be recited, and the offerings to be made to the deities. The Yajurveda emphasizes the importance of performing rituals with purity of heart, mind, and intention. The act of yajna is seen as a sacred duty that must be carried out with devotion, humility, and reverence for the divine. By participating in rituals and sacrifices, individuals can purify their thoughts, emotions, and actions, and align themselves with the cosmic forces that govern the universe. In addition to its focus on ritual practices, the Yajurveda contains philosophical teachings that explore the nature of the self, the cosmos, and the ultimate reality. The Yajurveda teaches that the universe is a manifestation of the divine consciousness and that all living beings are interconnected and interdependent. The rituals and sacrifices described in the Yajurveda are symbolic representations of the cosmic order and the eternal truths that govern the universe. One of the most famous passages of the Yajurveda is the Shanti Mantra, a prayer for peace and harmony that is recited at the beginning and end of Vedic rituals. This mantra invokes the blessings of the divine forces to dispel ignorance, remove obstacles, and bring about peace, prosperity, and spiritual enlightenment. The Shanti Mantra reminds us of the importance of cultivating inner peace, harmony, and unity with all living beings. Furthermore, the Yajurveda contains hymns and mantras that celebrate the power of the elements, the beauty of nature, and the abundance of life on earth. These hymns express gratitude and reverence for the forces of nature, such as Agni, fire, Vayu, wind, Varuna, water, and Prithvi, earth, and acknowledge the interconnectedness of all living beings in the web of life. The Yajurveda teaches us to respect and honor the natural world and live in harmony with the environment. The Yajurveda also contains passages that offer practical guidance on various aspects of life, such as ethics, morality, social conduct, and personal growth. These teachings emphasize the importance of living a virtuous and ethical life, upholding the principles of truth, honesty, compassion, and nonviolence. The Yajurveda encourages us to cultivate inner virtues, practice self-discipline, and strive for spiritual growth and self-realization. As we reflect on the profound teachings of the Yajurveda, we are reminded of the timeless wisdom that lies at the heart of this ancient scripture. The Yajurveda continues to inspire and guide millions of people around the world, offering a source of solace, inspiration, and spiritual nourishment in times of joy and sorrow. Its rituals and sacrifices serve as a bridge between the human and divine realms, connecting us with the cosmic forces that govern the universe. In conclusion, the Yajurveda stands as a testament to the spiritual and intellectual achievements of the ancient Vedic civilization and the profound insights of its sages and seers. Its rituals, sacrifices, and teachings continue to illuminate our path, awaken our consciousness, and deepen our connection with the divine essence that resides within and around us. Let us honor and preserve the sacred heritage of the Yajurveda and draw inspiration from its timeless teachings as we navigate the complexities of the modern world. Thank you.